Hello guys, it's me JR Miguel and once again welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you from the start to finish on how to link your YouTube channel account to Google AdSense account. And kung bago ka rito guys, please subscribe and turn on notification para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na gagawin ko. And bigyan ko lang po kayo ng idea about Google AdSense. And ang Google AdSense po is partner po siya ng YouTube and siya yung nagsisend ng ads sa video mo once na monetize na yung YouTube channel mo. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so first punta lang kayo sa browser na ginagamit nyo like Google Chrome and then search for www.youtube.com and then log in nyo yung channel nyo. Okay, so dito sa upper right side ng screen nyo, click nyo tong icon. Yan, so nakalagin na ako guys. So pag di pa kayo nakalagin, login lang kayo rito and then click nyo tong Creator Studio. Okay, so mapapansin nyo dito guys, you must create a channel to upload videos. So create channel. So since bago po yung channel ko, kagagawa ko lang siya, so wala pa akong channel. So kung wala pa kayong channel, at sa mga nanonood dyan na wala pang channel, pwede rin yung sundan to para makagawa kayo ng channel nyo. Okay, so just click itong create a channel. And then dito guys, lalagay nyo lang yung gusto nyo pangalan ng channel nyo, like okay, so for example sa akin is ayan. Okay, so then click create channel. Ayan. Okay, so meron na tayong channel. Okay. And then guys, next, balik lang ulit dito sa may icon dito sa taas and then click ulit natin yung Creator Studio and then click channel dito sa left side ng screen. Okay. Yan, so guys, so andito tayo ngayon sa status and features. Okay, so status and features, makikita mo rito yung copyright status and community guideline status. So ang hahanapin natin dito guys is monetization. Okay, so ito siya guys. Ayan. And then click natin yung enable. Okay, so dito guys, meron tayong 4 steps on how to link your YouTube channel account into Google AdSense account. Okay, so ang first step dito guys is to read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. So just click start. And then dito guys, babasahin lang natin yung YouTube Terms of Service. Pero kung tinatamad naman kayong basahin guys, just click na lang tong 4 boxes dito or 3 boxes. Yan. And then click I accept. Okay. Okay, so wait lang natin guys kasi mabagal yung internet natin. Excuse. Okay, so ulitin natin guys, start. So okay na pala yung umpisa kanina guys yun, so na-check na siya. So dito tayo sa second step. So magsa-sign up po tayo ng AdSense account. Okay, so just click start. Ayan. So eto guys. So pag click natin yung next, ma-redirect tayo sa AdSense. Okay, so click natin yung next. And then guys, so choose lang natin yung account natin. Yan. Okay, so yan guys, na-redirect na tayo sa Google AdSense. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo dito guys, automatic nang nailagay yung website natin dito, yung link ng website natin. So ito yung link ng website natin. So dito na tayo sa get more out of AdSense. So just click yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. So just click nyo lang yun guys, and then so next select your country or territory. And note lang guys, kailangan dito real information yung ilalagay natin, kasi ito yung magiging basihan ng Google AdSense kung saan ipapadala yung pin nyo once na kayo ay monetize na. So kailangan guys, lahat na nilalagay natin information dito is real information. And then just click itong yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Okay. Click nyo lang yan. I forgot guys, sorry. Okay, so sa select country, okay, so of course Philippines. Yan. And then yes, mag-agree lang tayo dito, so skip lang yung box na yan, and then create account. Okay. And guys, so okay na yung Google AdSense account natin. So just click get started. Okay guys, so take note ulit, reminder ko ulit sa inyo, ang ilalagay po natin information dito is kailangang totoo, kasi dito po magbabase ang Google AdSense or YouTube base sa nilagay nating information. So importante po to guys, so take note nyo lang guys, kailangan real information lang yung ilalagay natin. Okay, so then excuse me. Okay guys, so dito sa account type, just click select individual, and then yung pangalan nyo. For example, Juan de la Cruz 1. Yan guys, for example lang yan. And then and of course, kailangan yung itong address nyo ang ilagay nyo dito. Excuse me. Province, Metro Manila. And then phone number. Yan, for example. And guys, so after nyo ma-fill up ang lahat ng information dito guys, just click submit. So, meron tayong dito, verification. So, pipili natin dito guys. So, it's either text or voice. So, sa akin, just text messages na lang. And then, get verification code. So, after guys, may mag-text sa inyong number na verification code. Guys, so wait lang natin. namin guys, sorry guys. Palitan ko lang yung number kasi tagal mag-send. Oh my goodness, mating na. Okay guys, so wait lang natin saglit. Na guys, dumating na yung code natin. Yan, so enter lang natin yung code natin na ma-receive natin dito. And then click submit. Okay, so dito guys, ma-redirect na tayo sa ating host, which is yung YouTube. So just click redirect. Ayun guys, so tapos na yung second step natin. So let's proceed to next step. So just click start ulit. And then dito guys, check lang natin tong mga types of ads dito na gusto nating mag-send ng Google Ads. So just click tong lahat ng boxes na to guys. Just check lang natin yung 3 boxes na yun. And then click save. Okay. Yan, so okay na siya guys. So ang last step ito guys is ito na yung kailangan nating i-work out, which is kakailanganin natin ng 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So ito yung requirements ni Google AdSense para ma-monetize po yung channel natin. So as sa ngayon, ang ituturo ko lang muna ngayon is kung paano i-link yung channel nyo sa Google AdSense account. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang guys. So once na na-link nyo na yan, so yan na yung kailangan yung i-work out. So ngayon dito na lang, and sana may natutunan kayo kahit paano sa video at tutorial natin ngayon. And sana po huwag nakakalimutan mag-subscribe, and salamat.